So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add reflection to text here on VistaCreate. So once you have VistaCreate open up on your device, what I want you to do is to obviously add some text into your design. So I'll just go to the top left here, press on text. I'll make the text a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. And then I will type in the word reflect. Just like that for reflection. Now, if you want it to reflect, the text is fairly straightforward. Press on the text right here, go to the top right to where it says effects. And on the left hand side of your screen, there's an option that says reflection right here. Press on that. And now what it does, I'll actually slide the text up a little bit more, is there's the reflect option right here. So you can change the size of the reflection just like that to make it larger or smaller. You can change the distance of it as well, make it less or more. And you can also too change the transparency if you want to do that more or less transparent as well. So super straightforward, super simple. That is how to add the reflection option or the effect to text here on VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.